Good morning and Assalamu alaikum, my dear cuties. Hope you all have enjoyed your Christmas holidays, right? With great fun, and you might have had a Christmas cake and all. Okay, so last week we were taking, Sajna ma'am was taking 2 letters, isn't it? Very easy 2 letters. And do you remember which are those 2 letters? Shall I just show it on the board? Okay, look, both the mama letter and the baby letters are there, and the first letter is U. Mama letter and baby letter U are there, and what is the sound of it? Pambalas, pambalas, is the sound of U. Is the sound of U. Okay, and look, the next letter. Which letter is that? D. What is the sound of it? D. Letter is D and the sound is D. Dolls are dancing, D, D, D. Dolls are dancing, D, D, D. D is the sound of D. D is the sound of D. You might be looking what is there in Sajna ma'am's hand. Look, what is this? Yes, what is this? What is this? Yes, a paper. What is it? A paper. And what is this? What is this? Yes, a pen. This is a color pen. Okay, what is this? Pen. This is a paper and this is a pen. Now I will show you some more pictures on the board. Then after that we can say which is the sound of all these pictures and words. Ready? Okay, look onto the board. Okay, what is that picture which you can see? Yes, pencil. You all know that because you are writing in your book using a pencil. Okay, now you look at the next one. It is just looking like a scenery. Just looking like a scenery. We can call it a picture. നിങ്ങളോട് പറയാറില്ലേ ഈ പിക്ചർ ഒന്ന് വരച്ചു തരുമോ? നിങ്ങളൊരു കാക്കയുടെ പിക്ചർ വരക്കുമോ? Like that we are asking, no? So that is a picture. That is a picture. Then the next one is very familiar to you. You have learned in the birds topic. Our national bird, which is that? Peacock. What is it? Peacock. What is it? Peacock. Then the next bird is also familiar to you. A bird which can talk if trained. Which bird is that? Parrot. Which is that? Parrot. Okay. Then the next picture we can see everywhere, no? Outside our house, maybe in your house itself, outside you can see small and big. That, what is that? It is called a plant. What is it? Plant. Chedina enda paraya? Plant. Okay. And the next one we all use when we are sleeping. What is it? We are sleeping on a bed with a pillow. Pillow. What is pillow? You know, we are using it when we are going to sleep. Okay. Pillow. Okay. Then look at the next picture. You can see in the kitchen. Your mama will be preparing something in that. What is it? Pan. What is it? Pan. Yes, frying pan. You may be knowing that. Frying pan. Okay, pan. And the last picture you can see is, you look at, yes, it is a pot. In almost every houses this will be there. Pot. This is an earthen pot in which we will store something. Maybe for we can if we want to drink cold water also, we will use a pot like this. Okay, not this pot, a pot like this. Okay, so it is a pot. right? Okay, dear Muckles, you have gone through many pictures which are very common to you, which are known to you. You know these all pictures, you can identify all these pictures. Now you just look onto the board, all the pictures and the words are written on the board. Okay, all the pictures and words are written on the board. Look very carefully. You look at the first picture. What is it? Pen. 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 Okay, look at the next picture. Paper. 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 The next one, pencil. 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 Next picture is the picture of a picture. Okay, next picture is the picture of a picture. What is it? Picture. Picture. Okay, the next one, which bird it is? Peacock. 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 The next one, parrot. 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 The next one, plant. 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 The next one, pillow. 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 The next one, pan. 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 The next one, pot. 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 Do you listen the sound which Sajna ma'am was producing? P. What is the sound producing? P. And you know what is the letter name? The letter name is P and the sound is P. You can see both mama letter and baby letter P on the board. Which letter is this? P. And the sound P. Which is this letter? P. Sound P. Shall we listen to that phonic song? Phonic song? Yes, a very fond item of yours. You will be very very happy to eat this. Maybe your mama is preparing, or maybe you are buying from outside. Do you know what is this? Popcorn. 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 If you are putting the popcorn in the cooker, it will pop like this. Te, 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 te. So that is the song. You just listen to this picture. You can see the popcorns popping. Ready? Okay. Shall we recite that phonic song? Yes. Popcorn is popping. P, p, p. Popcorn is popping. P, p, p. P is the sound of P. Popcorn is popping. P, p, p. Popcorn is popping. P, p, p. P is the sound of P. Understood? So today we have learned the letter P with the sound P. Okay, now we are going to look how to write mama letter P and baby letter P. There is no difference, only the lines are different. You just listen. We are going to write it in 4 lines. Okay, listen here carefully. The mama letter P touches all the first 3 lines. Okay, and baby letter P touches all the down 3 lines. Watch me how to write it. Okay, watch the mama letter P. One standing line and a backward curve. Okay, one standing line and a backward curve, and it touches all the first 3 lines. And we can look how to write the baby letter P. Baby letter P also it starts from the second line. Okay, it is saying we want to start from the second line, and we will put a standing line, then a backward curve. Standing line, backward curve. The mama letter will touch all the first 3 lines, and baby letter will touch down 3 lines. Understood? Okay. Now you remember in your textbook, you might have seen that yellow column in your textbook, right? Yellow column is there, and you have to underline the letter P in that. Okay, ready? And we will conclude the class by singing the rhyme in that. Okay, ready? By saying the rhyme in your textbook, we will conclude the class, and it is about a king and a pussy cat. A cat named Pussy. Okay, and a king. Okay, what is king? You had learned king, Rajavu. Yes, what is king? Ratni. Okay, Ratni. You can see your textbook page on the screen, and we will recite. Ready? Okay. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at the king. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? Okay. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under her chair. Once again, listen to me carefully. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at the king. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Once again. Pussycat, pussycat, where have you been? I have been to London to look at the king. Pussycat, pussycat, what did you do there? I frightened a little mouse under the chair. Okay, Muckles, we had gone through the rhyme also. So if you can, you learn this rhyme. Okay, otherwise leave it. Okay, and you want to understand what is this rhyme about. There was a pussycat and he was under the chair of the king. രാജ്ഞിയുടെ ചെയറിൻ്റെ അടിയിലായിരുന്നു. Then we are asking what you do there? എന്താ നീ അവിടെ ചെയ്തിട്ടുണ്ടായിരുന്നത്? I frightened little mouse under her chair. ആ കീൻ്റെ ചെയറിൻ്റെ അടിയിൽ ഒരു മൗസ് ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, എലി ഉണ്ടായിരുന്നു, ഞാൻ അതിനെ പേടിപ്പിക്കുകയായിരുന്നു. This was the pussycat's reply. Okay, so inshallah, don't forget the letter which we learned today. The letter is P and the sound is P. And inshallah, we will meet in the next class. Bye bye. See you. Assalamu alaikum.